Can you guess who this is?
Yes, you are absolutely right. He is none other than Sri Sai Baba of Shirdi.
Good evening, everybody. Today we would like to focus on what we know and what we understand about Sri Shirdi Sai Baba's life and his teachings. Shuklam Baradaram Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Yayet Sarva Vignopashantaye Agajanana Padmarkam Gajananam Maharnisham Anekadantam Bhaktanam Ekadantam Upasmahe Ekadantam Upasmahe Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Shirdi Sai Baba is believed to be the fifth incarnation of Sri Lord Dattatreya in this Kali Yuga. The avatars are as follows. First, Sri Sripada Sri Vallabha Swami. Second, Sri Nrsimha Saraswati Swami. Third, Sri Manikya Mahaprabhu. Fourth, Sri Akkalkot Maharaj. And fifth, Sri Sai Baba.
In the society when Dharma descends and Shanti gets interrupted, God appears on this earth in the form of gurus and yogis to re-establish Dharma and spread Shanti. There is no difference between God and Guru. Both are equal. If we do puja or tapas and please God, He gives what we want. But a Guru not only shows the way to reach God, but also takes the whole responsibility of his devotees by giving what is good for them and taking care of them as a mother.
Such a special Guru is our Shirdi Sai Baba. No one knows his real name, birthplace, date of birth and who his parents were. He was first seen under a neem tree in Shirdi as a 16 years old boy. After some time, he suddenly disappeared and re-entered Shirdi along with a marriage procession. When he was not getting down the cart, then the priest of Khandova temple, Mahalsapati, welcomed saying Ya Sai or Aavo Sai. From that day, he got the name Sai. In Marathi, Ai means mother and Sai means good mother or the holy God.
From then onwards, he lived only in Shirdi for 60 years. Except for the nearby villages, he never went anywhere but he gave darshan to his devotees all over the world, whenever and wherever they needed him. He is the Indian spiritual guru who crossed the barriers of religion. Devotees from all religions came to him.
To teach his devotees that there is no difference in religions, he took shelter in an old deserted masjid, but named it as Dwarka Mai and lit oil lamps in it.
This is a replica of Dwarka Mai.
Baba used to sit here facing the fireplace Duni.
All the devotees' karmas are burned here by Baba's Yogagni.
The udi of this Duni was distributed to devotees as prasadam. Miraculously, it cured all types of diseases.
Not only diseases, it also fulfills the wishes of his devotees and gives moral and physical wellness.
This is the grinder in which Baba used to grind wheat, make flour, bake rotis and feed his devotees.
How lucky they are to have Mother Sai Baba's handmade food.
We are also lucky to remember all those deeds, aren't we?
This is a nimbar where Baba used to keep the food brought from Bhiksha or alms.
Baba used to collect alms from a limited number of houses by taking liquid items in a metal mug and dry rotis or rice in a cloth bag. After coming back to the masjid, he used to keep it open for animals, birds and beggars. Whatever was left, he mixed them all together and ate a very small morsel from it.
Do you know why Baba used to ask for 2 rupees dakshina? Why did he need money when he himself was a Kalpavruksha?
Baba asked for 2 rupees dakshina. It was not about money, but Shraddha and Saburi were the 2 rupees he wanted. Because we are not bringing anything with us by birth. God only gives us each and everything. Then what else can we give him other than Shraddha and Saburi? Shraddha means firm faith and Saburi means patience or perseverance of that faith.
Shraddha, obeying Baba's words and pleasing him is the real dakshina. With words, deeds and thoughts. Concentrating our minds on Baba and seeking his blessing is the real Shraddha. Baba always used to say, wealth does not attract my devotees.
Saburi, perseverance of the deep faith in Baba. In any difficult or horrible situation, we should have full faith and patience that Baba is always near to us to bring us out of that condition. Chanting his name with that full faith is Saburi. Om Shri Sai Nadaya Namaha. Om Shri Sai Nadaya Namaha. Om Shri Sai Nadaya Namaha. त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देवा सर्वं श्री साईनाथ परब्रह्मार्पणमस्तु।